Hello, everyone. My name is Kate Hunter, and I'm with the IOUG Users Group. We're going to go ahead and get started in a couple minutes for the Exhibitor Marketing webinar. So we'll just give another couple minutes for everyone else to join. Okay, we'll just give another couple minutes. So thanks for hanging on. We'll start at 1:02. Okay, we'll go ahead and get started. Again, my name is Kate Hunter, and I am with the IOUG Users Group. And this is the Tradeshow webinar for Exhibitor Marketing at Collaborate 18. As we go through, just a couple of housekeeping items. All attendees are on mute for the duration of the webinar. If you have any issues or questions, go ahead and type those into the questions box on the control panel, and I'll be able to see those and respond accordingly. Any more content type of questions or specific user group questions will be answered at the end of the webinar, or will be sent directly to your contact so that they can get in touch. This webinar is recorded and will be available on each of the user groups' websites within the next few days. The agenda for today, we're going to walk through some high-level items in the Exhibitor Marketing Kit. We're going to go through the online directory / mobile app, and then we're going to talk through a couple of sponsorship opportunities that are still available. The Exhibitor Marketing Kit. So this is a really useful tool that helps us help you. This kit helps you promote your presence to customers and helps to increase traffic to your booth by creating tools that increase awareness, create some calls to action. As we all know, a lot of people get a lot of emails throughout the day, so it's nice to have pieces that include a specific call to action. We do see better responses when items include that, that they provide education, and ultimately increase your return on investment. Within the kit, we have templates. We have descriptions for blog posts, for website posting, newsletters, email blasts, media advisories. And then we also have the official exhibitor images for emails and websites, and then also your signature, which is a great way to get in touch with customers that you already have. For the descriptions, here's just a couple of examples that you'll see in the kit. And for the groups, these kits should be downloadable from your resources page. However, if you haven't seen them, I know some have been emailed out, so just feel free to contact your representative and we'll make sure to point you in the right direction. We have the blog posting options, e-newsletters, and what's nice about these pieces is that you should be able to just drop in your company name or booth number into anywhere that's highlighted with yellow. So that way you don't have to sit there and recreate the wheel every time. We've done the legwork for you there. And here's a sample of the promotional email. You can insert your booth number, insert your key products. So again, the point of this is to help you save time, but also make sure that you're promoting your presence. And here are a couple of sample email signatures, places where you can add in your company name, booth number, and just kind of jazzes up communications you're already doing. We have the media advisory for you to send out to any media outlets. And then again, the images for the either your website, emails, or signature bottoms. And again, there's no wrong way or right way to use these. We just encourage you to use them. Moving into the mobile app and online directory listing. So we offer kind of two versions of this. The included version, so anybody who's an exhibitor gets the basic version, and that includes company name, booth number, address, email, phone, website, and a 30-word description. We also offer the premium package, and so with that you get everything basic. You also get unlimited company descriptions, social media tags, press release options, online reporting, company logo, the messaging and meeting request tool, and then there's also lead capture included in that as well. So it's a lot of value at kind of a minimum price point. For updating your listings, if you have previously, in advance of today, added the premium listing to your account, you would have received an email by Zarista, which is the app provider, and it would look like the image on the right-hand side. And what you do is you log into that, and then you're able to upload all of the links and logos and everything. And what's nice about that is then you don't have to wait on another staff to go in and input that information for you. You have total control. Again, for why to upgrade. So the ability to add in logos, links, articles, photos, they're visible to all the attendees who download either the desktop or the mobile version. You can message up to 10 users a day, and then you also get lead message alerts. So they say, you have a lead, and basically it's kind of like LinkedIn where you get notified that somebody has at least viewed your profile. And so it's a nice lead generator before you're actually on site at the conference. And then again, you have the ability to fully manage everything on your own. We do see that companies that have the logos embedded with the premium listing, attendees are more likely to click on them because it has a picture associated. We see that across the internet now all the time. For the basic listing, there is a link that should have been sent out, and it just it's a survey that will auto-load, so that way you don't have to worry about sending your information in an email. You can just fill out the survey link and then, go from there. And for how to get the app, so the app is in the app stores for Android and for iPhones. You search Collaborate 18. There will be QR codes on site on signage, so you can scan one of those, download it that way, or you can go to app.attendcollaborate.com and download the app from there. In order to log in, you'll use your email address and the password collab18. If you're logging in for the first time, after that, it'll ask you to reset. So, and again, on the right-hand side are what the images look like, so you can kind of get familiar with those. We did have a question for the mobile app. Yep, so again, using the basic listing survey tool, this link, I would ask your representative to email it out, or you can feel free to email me. Our contact names are up here at the top, and we're happy to resend that link out to you. So that's how you get your initial basic listing added in. And then we do have a couple of sponsorship opportunities that we wanted to highlight. We do have the Main Street Games again, and this is just, it's a fun space in the middle of Main Street that we're able to put some games on during the day to kind of, break up the day, get attendees moving a little bit, and we do offer it as a sponsorship. So if you want to, be associated with fun, let us know, and we'll be happy to work that into your package. Specific within the IOUG, we are still looking for a super session sponsor in the database area, and that's an exclusive sponsorship that really helps to highlight a company being a thought leader in the database space. And we also have, for the closing parties, cabanas and bungalows, and those are structured spaces that you can use to help create, kind of a customer lounge type space during the Wednesday evening party. So if you have any interest in any of those with the IOUG, feel free to let us know. Contact information is at the bottom of the slide. For the OAUG, we have also cabanas at the closing party, and then we also have OAUG's The Game on the trade show floor. And, that's a super fun opportunity, so if you would like more information on that, feel free to contact Marcy, and her information is at the bottom of the slide. And then for Quest sponsorship opportunities, we have the bar in your booth on the show floor, and so those are available on Monday or Tuesday nights during the show floor receptions. And then they also have cabanas and bungalows available for that Wednesday night party, which is at Mandalay the Beach. And it is Meet at the Beach theme, so you can get excited with Hawaiian shirts, and it'll be a great party. And then in closing, the next Exhibitor webinar will be on Tuesday, April 3rd, and that is kind of geared more towards on-site sales effectiveness. So, touching on booth presence and how to engage customers and how to work with our audience. And so that's definitely something that you want to have a save the date for anyone on your team who is going on site. And then again, this webinar will be posted to all of our respective sites within the next few days. So you can send it off to your team, or download it and listen to my lovely voice over and over again. And again, any questions, feel free to contact any of the email addresses above. We certainly all work together, so even if you're not a Quest vendor, if you email OAUG or IOUG, we certainly pass everything, those questions along to make sure that you get the right answer. So with that, I don't have any other questions in the box, so I can wait another few seconds if anybody wants to type anything in. Otherwise, thank you so much for hopping on today and joining us. Again, the webinar will be posted soon, and we look forward to seeing you shortly in Las Vegas. Thanks so much.